Not sure what fuel type is best for your new fireplace? In this video, we'll help you make the right decision by breaking down the pros and cons of various fireplace fuel types. Gas fireplaces offer convenience and are a low-maintenance option. They provide steady heat and can be controlled with just a switch. However, they rely on a fuel line which may add to installation costs. Electric fireplaces are even easier to maintain and install. They don't require venting and are perfect for homes looking for supplemental heat without major changes. However, they don't provide as much heat output as gas or wood-burning fireplaces. For a more traditional feel, wood-burning fireplaces deliver a classic, cozy atmosphere with real flames. While they require more maintenance and cleanup, they offer high heat output. You'll also need a regular wood supply, so availability is something to consider. If you're looking for an eco-friendly option, pellet stoves use compressed wood or biomass pellets, providing high efficiency and a renewable fuel source. They do require electricity to operate, though. Think about factors like fuel costs, heat output, and environmental impact before making your decision. Whichever you choose, make sure it fits your home's heating needs and your lifestyle.